This body is a living, mobile temple. And we have to seek God within this body. We may go to the temple. Temple is a good symbol because that outer temple opens the awakening of inner temple. And that's why people should visit the temple, do the pilgrim. And in this pilgrim, though it is an outer journey, it really unfolds the inner journey. And when you enter the temple, there is a bell. Similarly, in inner temple, there are heart sound. That is a bell. Because enlightenment is nearest possibility. But we are seeking outside. Therefore, enlightenment becomes difficult. Within this body, we have to start our journey from Muladhara to Sahasrara. And then we can become enlightened. Then you will know what is the glory of your life. We are totally ignorant about ourselves. We gather knowledge from outer world, which is good. The mathematics, the science, the technology, that knowledge is outside. But Adhyatma Jnana means Atma Jnana is the foundation of all Jnana. Without Atma, without soul, you cannot learn. So, our body is changing, thoughts are changing, mind is changing, feelings are changing, even our body shape is changing. 10 years ago I looked different, now I am looking different. So all these things, they are subject to change. But one thing is eternal changes. That is your sense of me. I am. That I am is existential status of consciousness. That doesn't change. It is eternal. It is timeless. Therefore, it is called Amrita. No birth, no death. And when we discover our pure existence, which is our Atman, then you know the crux, the cream, the core of whole existence, whole knowledge. Then you will get any knowledge. So, the mother of all knowledge is Atma Gyan, the knowledge of the self. We never understand ourselves. That's why we were learning about double-arrowed attention. One arrow goes outside to see the tree, the flower, the mountain, the people. At that very moment, second arrow should go into the heart to know the knower, to watch the watcher. When you are watching the tree is the thing to be watched. At the same time, second arrow goes inside to watch the watcher. So to watch the watcher while watching the watched, this is the greatest meditation. 24 hours you will be in the meditation. People do meditation 2 hours, 3 hours sitting in Padmasana. As a discipline, it is good. But then the rest of the time they are in the worldly affair, power, prestige, position, evaluation, judgment, criticism, all that is divisive. That's why we lose the bliss, we lose the glory, we lose the real love. The true source of the love is Atma, the self, the pure awareness. Therefore, this body is the mobile temple. Kabir says, चलता देऊळ पूजले नहीं पत्थर का काम जहां देखो वहां राम ही राम. What a beautiful Kabir is beautiful. कबीर से अरे आप तो पूजिए पत्थर, मैं तो पूजू पहाड़. पहाड़ means big mountain. आप तो पूजिए पत्थर, you are worshipping a little piece of stone. I am worshipping the pahad, the big mountain, because this stone came from the mountain. So whole significance, God is everywhere. God is in the stone. God is in the car. God is in every single cell. Because God is awareness, God is intelligence, and God is love. And there is so much love, so much awareness, so much intelligence in every RNA DNA. So these are the God DNA.